A very good evening, I bid to our honorable judges and fellow friends. Okay, today we are from the Guardian of the Galaxy. We present about the ISS International Space Station. Life on space stations makes it possible to study the effects of remaining in outer space for long periods of time while providing an environment for carrying out scientific experiments in laboratories. These stations are equipped with systems that provide the crew with oxygen that filter exhale carbon dioxide. Check out this fun International Space Station ISS facts for us. Enjoy a range of interesting facts about the International Space Station, how many astronauts have been to the station, how big the ISS is, how long the ISS has been in the orbit around Earth for, what is the station used for, and much more. First, the International Space Station ISS is a habitable human-made satellite that orbits Earth at an altitude of between 330 km and 435 km. Second, the ISS comprises pressurized modules for astronauts to live in, external trailers for propulsion, solar arrays for power, and many other amazing components. Third, the first part of the ISS sent to space was the module called Zarya. It was launched in space on an Russian Proton rocket on November 20, 1998. Zarya provided propulsion, altitude control, communications, and electrical power. 2 weeks later, NASA launched a module called Unity aboard Space Shuttle Endeavour, successfully attaching it to the Zarya module. The Unity module was equipped with all the requirements for long-term human living. The ISS is now the largest artificial body in orbit. It is 357 feet, 109 meters in length, making the space station's area span about the size of an American football field. The space station weighed nearly 925,000 pounds, which is 419,500 kilograms. The ISS has 2 bathrooms, a gym, and more room than a 6-bedroom house. The space station is nearly 4 times bigger than the Russian space station Mir and about 5 times as large as the US Skylab. The ISS was built to be a space environment research laboratory and observatory where crew members could conduct experiments in many scientific fields, including biology, human biology, physics, astronomy, and meteorology. The station also provides valuable opportunities to test spacecraft systems and equipment and act as a staging base for possible missions to the Moon or Mars. Approximately 3.3 million lines of computer code on the ground supports over 1.8 million lines of flight software code for the ISS. Over 8 miles of wire connects the electrical power system on the ISS. The first ISS crew mission, called Expedition 1, launched on a Russian Soyuz October 31, 2000. The 3 Russian cosmonauts docked and entered the ISS on November 2, 2000. The space station has been continuously occupied since, making it the longest continuous human presence in space. The ISS has been visited by astronauts and cosmonauts from 15 different nations. There has been a total of 352 flights to the ISS by 211 individual people. 31 of these were women and 7 were space tourists as of 2013. As of 2013, 76 people has visited the ISS on 2 occasions. 25 people have made 3 trips to to the station, and amazingly 5 people have been 4 times. As of 2013, there has been 174 spacewalks outside the modules in support of the ISS construction and maintenance, that almost 1,100 hours, nearly 46 days. There's been a 38 expedition to the ISS as of 2013. An expedition can last up to 6 months. Early expeditions had 3-person crews. This was reduced to 2-person crews for safety. However, today crew numbers regularly reach 6 people. On average, the ISS travels at 27,724 kilometers per hour. The space station completes 15.5 orbits a day, which means the crew members on board the station experience a sunrise or sunset every 92 minutes. The ISS program is a joint project that involves 5 space agencies: NASA of USA, Roscosmos of Russia, JAXA of Japan, CSA of Canada, and ESA, made up of agencies from France, Brazil, Malaysia, South Korea, and Italy. The cupola module in the ISS has a 7-window observatory area which has been compared to the turret of the Millennium Falcon in the movie Star Wars. The ISS is arguably the most expensive single item ever built. As of 2010, the cost of the station is believed to be $150 billion. With the naked eye, the ISS can be seen from nearly every area of Earth. At some point in time, it appears as a slow-moving bright white dot in the night sky. For more information about how astronauts do everyday tasks in zero gravity on the ISS, see our amazing astronaut video space. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.